How much GB RAM we need in laptop or computer? Welcome to How to Do It. Today we're gonna talk about that how much GB RAM you really need, how to know. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe channel for get more videos like this. For this particular answer, there is no direct answer that I will let you know that you need 2 GB RAM, 4 GB RAM, 8 GB RAM. No, I can't say anything about it because RAM depends on your works, RAM depends on your what you do on your laptop or computer. So what you need to know about this? Let's begin the video. First of all, like, share, subscribe and hit bell icon. I'm Gogi from How to Do It. I'm gonna let you know that how much GB RAM you require on your laptop or computer. First of all, think about it. If you do gamings, you need a lot more RAMs. Gaming means hard gaming of fighting games and racing games and anything like that that requires more GPU, graphics processing unit, and same way you need a RAM, random access memory. So how you can find it out that your RAM is good or not? Let me explain. Good or not means sufficient or not. How you can know? First of all, open all software means you regularly use. If you play game along with play music, along with that open browsers, then open them. If you use browser with your photo editing software, with your video editing, open both, all of three or four them. And after that, what we have to do is, in front of you, as you can check out, I'm opening my browsers, and after that editing, video editing I will open. But now how much RAM is used, how much RAM is there spare, how we can know? First of all, go to the keyboard, go to the Control Alt and Delete. After that you will see options like this. You can go to Task Manager. By just going Start menu, you can go to there too. So after that you have to click on this Performance, and there is this Memory. And now you can check out, we have committed 33.4 GB RAMs, I mean 32 GB RAM, and we are using almost 9 gigs right now. So that way, if you want to check out more, you can open any video editing software. I'm opening it, and after that you will see that it's increased. Now I am using 9 gigs, and if I open any program, 1 second, if I open any video program, it will increase. It will increase according to that. Now available is over here, so that way you can know exactly how much you require, because you can check out this will increase 9.3. and if I open any software, 1 second, sorry, any program, then it will pick up, and that will increasing. So you can check out 9 GB. And if you start rendering or exporting any video, it will increase a lot. So that way you can know. If you don't have a spare available memory over there, that means you have to upgrade your memory, and you have to install more gigs RAM into your system. But if after opening your daily uses softwares, there is left something, some GB left over there, then don't have to worry about anything, because that is playing good for you. So that way you can know how much RAM you require. Like, share, subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning new things every day. Bye bye for now.